Hey there, it's Elisa Hollinger. And a lot of times, taxpayers, if they're wage earners, and a wage earner is someone that we call when they receive a W-2. Often there aren't many ways to save taxes. Well, you can have kids. Well, having kids may save you on taxes, but you spend a lot more money in other ways. But if you're a wage earner, one of the things that you can do to save on tax dollars is you can put money in an IRA. You can max out what you put into your 401k. Make sure that you're getting that employer matching, or if you have a simple, that's going to be your best bang. In fact, it's one of the few ways that you actually get to receive a tax deduction and keep the asset. Everything else requires you to spend the money. You can give money to charity. Well, that's dumb if you're doing it for a tax deduction because you're spending $1 to save a quarter in taxes. That's dumb. But if you're spending $1 on charity because that's where God has led your heart, or if that's because that's where you feel you should be doing, then by all means do it. But do not give to charity for a tax deduction. You can be buying a house and the mortgage interest is deductible. Yes, it is a good deduction, but a lot of times people on the federal option or the federal return, they don't itemize because the standard deduction is so high. It may save you some money on the state, so that's something to consider. If you're renting versus buying a house, well, at least buying a house, even though the interest may or may not be deductible, if you're buying a house, it's usually money that you're going to get back when you sell, which means in essence you've lived there for 5 years for free. So just a few things as a wage earner, just be mindful. There's not a whole lot that you can do, but there are things that you can do. Do not just go start a business because somebody says that you can save money, because you're spending money to save money. And that doesn't make any sense. Every dollar you spend saves you a quarter in taxes. I don't know where you're at, but where I'm from, if I spend $1 to save a quarter, that's dumb. Take care. Bye for now.